Hey guys, it's Tejas. I wanted to take a minute and share a bunch of our success. We have been very blessed to accomplish what we have. I just finished our fourth quarter and year end report for the fund. It was our first full operation in business. in business. So I have this great video I'm going to find of me 6 years ago where I sent a video to my investors at the time, and it went like this. Hey investors, the Lehigh Valley just hit 36 billion GDP. And I went into why they should invest into the market. I've been saying the same thing over and over and over and over again. And so I'm going to share a piece of our report where I highlighted the Lehigh Valley hitting 47 billion. So manufacturing commanded. Hang on, let me get my bearings. Lehigh Valley economy hits 47 billion GDP. Manufacturing commanded the largest part of the Lehigh Valley's economy in 2021, pushing the metro region's GDP to a record 47 billion, according to new data released by the US Bureau of Economic Analysis. With an economic output of 8.4 billion, manufacturing has now overtaken finance, insurance, and real estate as the Lehigh Valley's top contributor to the GDP. Manufacturing made up 18% of the Lehigh Valley's private sector output compared to 12% in the nation as a whole last year. The GDP of the Lehigh Valley's top four sectors were still within about 2.5 billion of each other, indicating a balanced and vibrant economy. The Lehigh Valley's private sector output is the 65th largest in the nation and is bigger than the beautiful states of Alaska, Vermont, and Wyoming. If Lehigh Valley were a country, its economy would be the 88th largest in the world, following manufacturing, the largest sector in the Lehigh Valley's GDP. So I have a bunch of statistics there. You can read it. And that's what makes up the Valley. So I have a webinar on Friday where I'm going to talk about some of the success in the report. Here's our capital and asset growth. 2021, we had a total capital of 1.3 million. 2022, 5.3 million. We've had a lot of growth, but the best part over here is our assets under management went from 1.3 million up to 7 million, just over 7 million. And I love what I do. Thank you, everybody, for listening to me, liking my stuff. I just had my 4-year anniversary for the fund. Anyways, I hope this works. See you on Friday. Cheers.